Hi there, in this video, I will be guiding you on the comparison between Whoop 1 and Whoop Pick so you can decide which one to choose. So please listen carefully to each point that I will be explaining. This video is helpful if you're choosing between the latest budget-friendly Whoop and the Pro level model. So first, Whoop 1, which is right here, is the new entry-level device designed for casual users. It includes core tracking features like heart rate, strain, and sleep, but limit access to detailed and analytics. Meanwhile, Whoop-Pick is the premium version offering advanced strain analytics, detailed sleep recovery insights, and readiness forecasting. Next, for the design, both models share the same compact strap system, but Whoop-Pick includes premium strap materials and faster magnetic charging. Then, for pricing and the plan, Whoop 1 is available with a monthly membership while Whoop-Pick requires a 12-month subscription for full features. If you're starting out or want simplicity, then Whoop 1 is perfect for you. But if you would want high performance and detailed feedback, then Whoop-Pick is worth the upgrade. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.